video was provided by the Free Life Movement. It's a movement. Before you watch this video, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for clicking on this video. Inside this video, you're going to watch me go back to my old job and speak about how you can become good inside sales or what to do inside sales. So if you like what you see, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And let's stay up to date with this information. Let's go.
Care about anything else. I just want to know how to make $100, man.
You can set your plans for the next meeting. This is what this desk will do.
Purchase your tracks today.
I got this going on sale right now for $39.99. I actually got a special promo. If you get it started today, if you buy this today, the reason I did that is because I feel like every day y'all gotta give each other compliments. Before y'all start the shift, y'all gotta, hey man, it's good to see you. Like every time I was here, you give each other compliments. Rob, like bro, it's so good to see. Like it's always that energy we set before we start the shift, because before you go in, you don't know how the person you go to the door, you don't know how the energy gonna be. You don't know if they had a bad day. You don't know if they're cold. You don't know if your partner had a bad day. Because sometimes I want to go to my little side.
Purchase your tracks today.
You can step outside and just take a look at it real quick. I just want to show you something that I see. And so I see this consolidation right here. Did you know about this? Oh, no, I didn't know about it. Well, look, what we do is we got these preservation.
Purchase your tracks today.
Before I get started, I want to ask y'all, is it easy to give each other compliments? This is going to be 3 different situations. The first situation is, I get ice cream from them, and I give it to you, I give you my money, and you give me the ice cream. So I'm walking to my car, and it's a dog right here. This is like one of those rebuttals, right? It's a dog. But now, I end up dropping my ice cream, I go to Lynn, say, hey Lynn, take my money back, I lost my ice cream. And she does that to me, right? She does that, and she's like, I'm not giving you your money back, you need to pay for this again. And she, she scared me. So now what I'm gonna do is, what's your name again? Shantae. I'm gonna go to Shantae and be like, hey man, don't go to Lynn's ice cream truck. She give me my money back. For real. She give me my money back. Yeah. And this, man, she's horrible. Man, customer service, I was in line, I was hot. And she saw the dog too. The dog, she made everybody else lose their, so that's a bad experience. Now, you gonna go tell your partner, hey, don't go to them. Exactly. And then he gonna go to Rob, then Rob, that's right. Think about how many customers she lost. It's not just you. The way in which 2 or more concepts, objects, or people are connected, or the state of being connected. That's a connection. So you're at that door, whenever y'all set up at the second part of the script, third part of the script, especially if y'all expect to set an appointment without trust or relationship, it just ain't gonna happen. It's gonna be a follow-up, or it's gonna be a fake number, or, oh yeah, sure, go ahead, here's my number. Then you call it, and you're like, I thought you set up an appointment. And then you got the sales rep going out, and the person, I never get him my number. I never said that, because that's no trust or relationship. Right? And then emotional intelligence is going to tell you if the person is genuine or not. You want to know if they're genuine. If they're genuine, I had times where people invite me in their house. They're not supposed to. I'm over here selling windows on my politics. I'm like, man, look, I'm not. No, sir, just look, man. I've been here for your job, but man, it's just crazy how I'm like, yeah, for sure. And the thing is, I built a relationship to where they're like, man.
Purchase your tracks today.
If you liked the video you just saw, make sure you like and comment. Also subscribe. Make sure you follow me on my social medias inside the description below.